everyone, welcome back to Lena's Pretend Play. In this video, we'll be talking about the science behind a hover disc arena. And before we start, this is our next project that we'll be doing. It's called an animatronics studio. It's really hard to say. So this is what it does. It can jump. There's lots more stuff that it can do, but you have to move these things. So I don't want to move that right now. So let's just get started. A recap of the hover disc arena building. 3 parts of building. Sparky and Steven helped me with connecting the wires to the fan. The wires, if you can't see, it's right there, the wires to the fan is that big blue thing. Well, it's not, it's like a tealish. And then Willie here helped me finish the disc. Well, finish the disc, like what I mean by that is like finish building it, like putting on everything. So that and then Rexy helped me make the arena, which is this part. So how does a hover disc float? Hover. That's what it's called, the hover disc. Have you ever seen something float on air like magic? Oh! Like that. Not really. But have you? If you have, that's really cool because I have never. But I have seen something hover. Hint. Okay, by the way, this is one thing that can like hover, like this. A magnetic levitation train floating above the tracks, like this. It's floating. It's not even touching the tracks. It's just like this. It's the same thing as this, it's the same thing, but just bigger, that people can ride on. And then, if you ever heard of the Japanese bullet train, it also hovers. And then, the train hovers without touching the rail. So you can take a look. Okay, I think that's enough. And let's go to the next slide. So, how does a hover disc float? The science behind it. Have you ever seen a hovercraft float on air like magic, like that? Well, it uses its air to lift itself above the surface, like this. This is not a real hovercraft, but it's just a picture. It's floating above the water. A hovercraft gliding over the water. That's also fun. But if you didn't know, hovercrafts just stay in one place. It's up to you. See these big fans here? Yes. That's what makes it go forward. Like this hover disc right now, if I turn it on, if I do turn it on, it just stays in one place, right? But if I use my hands to push it, then it actually moves. So right now it's not moving because the fans are not on. So it's just staying in one place. So this is the hover disc arena. Hover disc arena. I just said that. Okay. The hover disc floats above the surface because, remember how I said I didn't say it actually. The air from this fan right here, you see the fan? That fan is making air come to the bottom, which makes it float. It not actually float and like that, but it like hovers. Like, you know what? Hover like that. So like that's what it does. Like you can see air coming. And then if I turned it on, it's moving. Maybe we can go on. Anyway, it floats, as you can see. It floats like this high because it's supposed to hover. That's how it floats. Hovers that high. And then that's how it this one's really high. This one's the top. That one's really high from the ground. The fan inside pushes air downward, making a cushion of air under the disc. Like, you see this foam thing? This thing, if this thing wasn't here, then it actually wouldn't float. It wouldn't float. Plus, this thing is holding everything together. This is basically like the cushion of everything. So when it stops, this thing is the cushion. That's why it's like foam. And it can break. Just like the hovercraft or magnetic levitation train. And same thing it says. Let's play bowling with my friends Brexy and everyone else. So, steps. Set up the bowling. So we don't have bowling pins, but we have plastic Jenga blocks, not wooden. So we're gonna use that. And then step 2, arrange the bowling pins like we already did before the video. And then 3, prepare the hover disc. And then 4, aim and launch. So I'm not gonna do it too fast or else it'll fall off the table. So let's do it. Ooh, look how much it fell. 4 fell. Like 1, 2, 3, 4 fell, and there's 3 more left. That means there's 7 of them. So that was just one example. We're not gonna do more examples because I'm worried. So let's just put these back up. 5 is score and count how many pins were knocked down. Like, these are actual pins, but they're like paper pins too. It's basically what we have, but these are just smaller. Then let's see the points. So we basically did this before and got the points. So let's see what they got. Time for you guys to see. So let's see what Sparky got in round 1. So we did 2 rounds. So Sparky got 1. Great job, Sparky. And then let's see what Willie got. Aw, too bad, Willie. Okay, let's see what Rexy got. The dino. Ooh, also 0. Lulu, 0. It's okay. And then Steve, let's see how he got. Steven, let's see what you're gonna get. He also got 0. So let's see round 2. So far, only Sparky got 1 point. Everyone else, 0. It's okay, guys. Oh, Sparky, you got another one. That's really cool. And then Willie, let's see what she got. 1! Finally. Oh, sorry, Rexy. Oh, Lulu, good job. Steve, oh, it's okay, buddy. Okay, so let's see who the winners are. Wait, actually, there's one winner. The winner is Sparky. The total scores, Sparky got 2, 1, 0, 1, 0. And that's the scores. And coming up in the next video is the Sparky with Sparky shuffleboard. We're going to play shuffleboard. So we're going to start at some point and then go, go, go. And then see what we land on. So 5 points, 20 points, 10 points. And then we will also talk about the signs, why wheels aren't always needed, and how it doesn't float. Well, we did that in this video. But why does it only float but not need wheels? This is like a wheel. But I don't want to do that with it. But before we end our video, I have a surprise for you guys, which I didn't tell you. So, yesterday, I just got a flute. Isn't that cool? Here, I can try to play it. I'm not very good at it. I can make the sound only. So, this is what I got yesterday. And that's all I wanted to show you today. For now, thank you for watching Lena's Pretend Play. For now, bye!